family. We are back in LegoLand, Florida today. We are still celebrating Luke's 6th birthday weekend. He's really excited. We're all excited. We're gonna go in the park, maybe hit up some cool rides, maybe eat some neat Halloween spooky treats, and see what LegoLand is all about today. Are we ready to go?
Yeah, and I'm almost gonna probably lose my tooth here.
And we've got one with a loose tooth today, a very loose tooth. So she's thinking we might lose a tooth in LegoLand. We'll see what happens. Wish us luck. Thank you. Come along.
All right, so this here is the LegoLand Hotel. We haven't stayed here yet. Who knows? Maybe we'll one day. Not quite sure. Alrighty, still continuing with the pirate theme here. Some Lego swashbucklers or pirates or whatever they're called. Alright, we're gonna head in guest services. They said Luke can get a birthday pin since it's his birthday weekend, so we're gonna check that out.
Birthday boy. Luke? And you're turning 6, Luke?
Yeah, look at there. That's awesome. Mama get you the... I'm gonna put it on you, okay? Alright, so there's the pass for Costasaurus.
That was so nice.
That really was nice.
We got a pass for 4 guests without the wait at Coastersaurus. So
Cool.
we're gonna put that on our list of rides. Yay!
There you go. It's birthday pin on? Alrighty, let's get ready to roll.
What's up, dudes? Whoa, is that a birthday button I see? Frankenstein, it's his birthday! All right, do you want to see a special guitar solo from Frankenstein just for your birthday? Frankenstein, show him what you can do. Let's give it up for Frankenstein and the birthday boy! Have a happy birthday.
Duplo tractor. Look this way, bud. So this is the tractor ride we were just talking about.
Kind of slow.
What you got? Look, a bit out of control. So we're at Costasaurus, and we're actually going to use the pass the guy gave us because the wait time here is 130 minutes. So the rides here today, especially the big rides, seem to be like a virtual queue only. So people aren't actually waiting in line. You can kind of go and do what you want to do until your time is up. This ride here, Coastersaurus, is 130 minutes. Luckily, Luke had his birthday fast pass, so that really saved us some time on that. Isn't that right, birthday boy?
Yep.
All right, let's go see what's next.
This is the Vampire Shadow. It's really good. It's you got a waffle cone and then sprinkles, and it's cookie dough. It's not ice cream, it's cookie dough, but it's really good. It's got big chunks of chocolate in it, and if you like cookie dough, it's a good treat.
Then the kids went with Old Faithful, chocolate ice cream, rainbow sprinkles, and whipped cream.
I'm about to lose my tooth.
What do you think of the Vampire Shadow?
It tastes just like cookie dough. like, I guess it's chocolate chip cookie dough or something, but they say it's supposed to be safe to eat. Not quite sure. Cone's pretty good. At least the chocolate part is.
Yeah, I thought it was good too.
Okay. All right, so kids, I'm gonna ask y'all, how is the vampire shadow?
It tastes just like cookie dough cake pop.
Like a cookie dough cake pop. London, what do you think about it?
Exactly the same.
So we are finishing up our treat here and getting ready to go maybe ride a couple more rides. How's that sound?
Good. And then maybe pull my tooth.
Okay, we'll see. We'll keep an eye on London's tooth. She's got a
But
very
if
loose tooth.
But if it's too late, then we'll just do it right here.
Okay, we'll see. Tooth Fairy might be coming tonight. We'll see.
All right, so it basically says that we're up. I didn't get a notification, but I may have notifications turned off on my phone, so we'll walk over there and see what happens. All right, so we're in line for the boating school, and it appears the virtual line basically gave us permission to wait in a real line once our 30 minutes was up. And supposedly the wait time here is 10 minutes, so we'll see what happens. There we go, sanitizing boats. Not quite sure how often they do it, but it looks like they are pretty good about sanitizing things here at LegoLand. Here we are on the boat ride. Me and the birthday boy. So far we're jammed up. You gotta go this way, bud, look.
Okay, I got mine.
Okay. They go that way some so we don't like crashing into anything.
This is going easy.
I know, our boat doesn't really go all that good, does it?
Yeah, and it goes slow
It's real slow.
so we can concentrate.
Oh, now we're going faster. Turn it more.
No! Ow!
That's it, you crashed your first boat. Look. Jump, bitch girl.
I know, we're gonna get splayed.
We might. Alright, we're still cruising the boat.
And I crashed my funniest one.
Yeah, I think Lucas crashed about 30, 40 times so far, but you know, that's the way it is. Boat life, baby, boat life. Pretty sure we should get rammed.
We got you.
We're pushing.
We bumped you.
Pass us, London. Pass us. Man, watch what we can do.
Yeah!
Look.
I want to do this on purpose.
They fell into our trap. Watch where we go, boy. You're going straight into the wall, son. Later. Hope you enjoyed your shower back there. Hey, pass right here. Get on this side, guys. Here we go. Yeah. You ran out the way.
Yes! Eat you! Got of it!
Look. Look. Why are y'all going backwards on the boat ride? Why are y'all going backwards on the boat ride? Why are y'all going backwards on the boat ride?
I got them good.
Alright. We might see them later, I don't know.
Yeah, they were back
What are y'all doing? Look, what's that? Oh, look, I think we're gonna be in trouble when we get home. What do you think?
Yeah, we're definitely gonna be in trouble.
I think so. Where are they? Do you see them? I still don't see them. There they are. Look, they're way back there. They go this way.
Well, I tell you, we're definitely gonna be in trouble because we pushed Mama on running into water, spraying them, and then we pushed them all the way back down.
Look.
Look how wet I am.
You're not even that wet.
You did get wet.
Yeah, because
Were you doing that or was it Danny?
both of us, because we pushed you.
I know. You pushed us, we got wet, and then you turned us around.
Yeah, why tell you what happened?
Payback. We're gonna get y'all, boys.
We pushed your boat into some water, then it splayed you.
Yeah.
Then we pushed
Mama
you
got
all
wet.
the way back.
Look at Mama.
It looks like you're bathing your
I know it does.
Alright. Alright, so we just got off the boat ride.
This guy betrayed us.
What? It was a boating accident.
We got soaking wet.
They did it on purpose.
We got soaking wet, and then we got stuck and turned around the opposite direction. Thanks to these two. Payback.
You
And
betrayed
we didn't even get our boating license. I thought that was supposed to be boating school. Wonder what happened. No boating license for you. No boating license for you, I know. You.
I got us out of there. That's all I can say.
All right. Y'all ready to head on out?
Well, you didn't get any either. That was right there.
You have been entirely too loud.
Hey, look at the
Look where you at, look this way, look. There's everybody. Couldn't hardly see you. Alright, Luke and London, how was the ride?
Epic! That was epic!
Alright.
This ends our day here at LegoLand. We had an awesome day. It was so much fun.
Please subscribe and please give us a like. I never lost my tooth. And it's free to give us a like or subscribe, but they get free.
Yeah, it's free.
It's free to subscribe.
All right.
Thank you guys,
So
and thank
thanks
you
for
for
Trippin
Trippin with the Turners.